Hello everyone. Let us take a simple journey through how ChatGPT actually works behind the scenes. We will break down the concept so anyone can understand. ChatGPT was launched at the end of November 2022. Amazingly, within only 2 months, over 100 million people started using it, making it the fastest growing app ever, beating even Instagram's record. The heart of ChatGPT is LLM, large language model. Right now, ChatGPT uses GPT-5 as its main model. A large language model is a type of neural network that is trained on a huge amount of text so it can understand and make human-like sentences by learning how words and phrases are connected. Because of this, when we give some input, it can guess the next word in a sentence, one word at a time, just like how we finish each other's sentences. How big is GPT-5? GPT-5 is not just big, it is massive. It uses over a trillion adjustable numbers called parameters and has over 100 layers working together. All this helps it understand and generate language even better than before. Whenever you give a prompt, the model looks at all the words you have typed, breaks them into tiny pieces called tokens, and then tries to predict the next token step by step to create a natural sounding response. Instead of handling complete words, ChatGPT slices text into smaller pieces called tokens. These tokens are assigned token ID as numbers, which can be processed quickly by the model. This helps ChatGPT handle different languages and spelling smoothly. But if we don't guide it, ChatGPT can sometimes give wrong, confusing, or even inappropriate answers. So it is really important to have checks that keep things in control and trustworthy. To make ChatGPT safer and more helpful, its creator improved it further using the technique called reinforcement learning from human feedback, which is just a smart way of saying it learns to give better answers by listening to people. Imagine the model as a master chef trying lots of recipes. People taste and judge the dishes, giving feedback. With this input, the chef keeps tweaking the recipes, making each new dish tastier for everyone. When ChatGPT gives many possible answers, humans pick which ones are best. The system learns from these picks, improves its method, and gets better at giving responses that people actually like. When you chat with ChatGPT, it does not just consider your current message. It uses the whole conversation history for context, plus some smart hidden hints to keep responses friendly and relevant. Before any message reaches you, ChatGPT's safety system checks it for any harmful or inappropriate content. This keeps conversations respectful and secure for everyone. Making ChatGPT took a lot of innovation and clever teamwork. As this technology moves forward, it keeps getting better, opening up new possibilities, and we are just at the beginning of this journey.